Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to 2019. I did this beautiful smoky blown out black dark smoky eye for you guys. I did this look on New Year's and I absolutely loved it. You have a little bit of glitter, you have a little bit of warmth, and a beautiful nude lip. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. All the products I use will be listed in the description box below, along with my social links and all that good stuff. So if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I have you zoomed in and I am starting off with my lids already primed and ready to go. And I am first taking my Morphe 39A palette. I've talked a lot about this on my channel. It's one of my favorite palettes, and it's great if you want something not too expensive, but something you could literally create any look you could possibly imagine with. Something that has great payoff and you're never gonna run out of, because all these shadows, like, girl, yeah. So definitely one of my favorite products by Morphe. So I'm gonna take that palette and I'm gonna start off with this shade in the big pan. It's a little bit more of a like, it is a warm tone, but it's a little more neutral. It has a little more of that like kind of yellowy brownie tone, whereas this is super warm, and it's like a little more neutral. And I'm going to take that on a fluffy brush, making sure I'm focused, like this. So I'm gonna take that shade on my fluffy brush and I'm gonna start in the outer corner and just packing that on, and then slowly blending that in the crease all the way to that inner corner, like so. And I am going in circular motions, focusing on that outer corner, making sure it's super blown out, blended out, but still in a circular shape, not in a winged out shape. Sorry if you guys hear a lot of commotion in the background. I currently have 4 dogs in my apartment. We are dog sitting, and yeah, 4 dogs in pretty much a 1-room studio apartment is not the biz, but we're working through it. And I love having all my little doggies, but for filming purposes it's a little tough. But anyways, so I'm gonna keep just blending that. Next, I'm going to take my Desi and Katy Friendcation palette with Dose of Colors, and I keep digging my nail into every single eyeshadow I'm touching. Let me just fix that bad boy. Yeah, so I am taking my Desi and Katy Friendcation palette, and this is with Dose of Colors, their collab. And I'm going to take a little bit more of a, not necessarily denser, but a little bit more of a tapered blending brush. And I'm going to take this shade, which is Cheens, if I'm reading this little directory on the back correctly, which is this nice chocolate brown. And I'm going to take just a dot of that. I mean, these shadows are super pigmented, so I'm just going to take a dot of that and kind of still focus that on the outer corner and in that crease, but just keeping it a lot lower. And because my eyes are a little bit hooded, I am going to take it up a little bit, but as you can see, not as high as like we blended all of that, you know? So focusing on the outer corner, still keeping that super rounded shape. And in the crease, I do probably have a little bit of black on that shadow brush,